Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the OYO Hotel Booking and Travel app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. OYO is a hotel booking and travel app designed to make finding affordable and comfortable accommodations quick and convenient. It allows users to browse thousands of hotels, homes, and vacation stays across India and other countries with just a few taps. The app is available on both iOS and Android and is widely used for its large property network and easy booking process. The app's main feature is its instant hotel booking system, which provides real-time room availability, flexible payment options, and verified property listings. Users can filter stays by price, amenities, location, and guest ratings, making it easy to find the right accommodation for any budget or purpose. OYO also offers exclusive in-app discounts, digital check-ins, and 24/7 customer support, helping users manage their bookings smoothly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate OYO for its ease of use, wide hotel network, and affordable pricing. The app's interface is clean and intuitive, allowing travelers to book rooms in minutes. Frequent travelers especially like the app's loyalty rewards, cashback offers, and the ability to manage multiple bookings in one place. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users have reported inconsistent property standards, booking confirmation delays, or issues during check-in due to coordination problems with local hotels. The app also relies heavily on network connectivity for updates, and customer service response times can vary depending on demand. In summary, the OYO app may be worth using if you frequently travel and want a convenient, budget-friendly way to book hotels with minimal hassle. However, if you prefer premium stays with guaranteed quality standards or more personalized service, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.